All right, now let's demonstrate the code and see if it can work. Now, first of all, I put a breakpoint here. So because this class is already imported by our own customized annotation using the import. So once it's imported, Spring takes over, Spring recognize it, and then Spring will specially process this class, and by calling this register bin definitions method. Okay, now let's try if C it can stop here. Let's go debug. Okay, so it's yes, the breakpoint is here. So now we catch that, and right now we can check if we can really get the client ID and base package from the annotation. Go now. Client ID, we get the client ID, that's demo booking, which is the demo booking, it's correct. And then next, the base package, now that's a string array, right? And there's only one value, correct. That's exactly what we provided. Yep. Okay, next, we create a bin definition, and then this is the builder, and then once we have the builder, we add the property, and then we register the bin definition. Let's go, but look at that. There's a problem. It failed. It says this is an invalid property of client ID in the class you injected into. The reason is if you want to inject the values into the fields of any class using this way, you need to provide a setter method. If you don't have a setter method, it will be failed. So we provide a setter method. We can provide both setter and getter, right? So we can provide client ID and scan package, setter and getter, and then we can try again. Let's go back. We can try again. Now we have that. So let's go again. Debug mode. Okay, so let's go. If I resume the program. Go. Now, it was successful because this method is called, means that there's no exception, no problem, no errors was taking place as before. And yes, so let's look at now, let's go to the, let's check the value. Now, this is a value. You can see that the client ID is the one that we provided from the annotation. Demo booking, the scan package, it's the one that we provide. Yeah. So, yeah. So the values are being injected here. And then this method is called, and now the scanning method started. So once we completed this method, this RPC client says all the RPC methods being stored in these two maps. All right.